Nature has always played a very important part of my life. And in particular, I love orchids. I love the way they look because they look so effortless. I try to paint them that way.
We have orchids in every single garden, so our highest concentration would certainly be our LaGrippe Orchid Garden. This is where we have our rotational displays, and then, as well as permanent plants in the trees. For about 5 years now I've been here, and I started off right at the beginning working with the orchids. And probably at least 30,000 species, maybe more naturally occurring, lots of hybrids, so having an unlimited supply of new plants to see and collect and experiment with is, a dream come true. We definitely try to showcase how diverse the amount of orchids are. So we try to have a full range of plants that are colorful and blooming, but then also plants that might be more rare. So having just plants that they wouldn't normally be able to see, I think is something that was pretty special for most people.